There we go. See that relaxed feeling? How it sets everything free inside of your mask? Sets
Yeah.
all things free in there. Okay? And you're not even thinking about your voice here. You're thinking about expressing it here. Because hey, all the vocal cord is just a rudder to make the sound. That's all. And it's amplified here. If there's no amplification, that means that somehow the muscles are too stiff.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So you got to keep your face, your mask, you got to keep it open and free. And even as you close your eyes, they're still open. They see your feelings. You see? It's
Yes.
that's the way it feels. And that's your sound. Okay?
Steve.
So let's go to the whoa. No, 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 no. You went, whoa, you went here. You went here. Whoa, you went there. Don't go there. Go, woo. Stay in the, do this. Woo, woo.
Woo!
Again,
Woo!
woo. Again,
Woo!
again.
Woo!
Do this.
Woo!
Hee,
Eh,
hee.
eh,
Now, don't pull in.
eh,
Now, don't pull in. Spread out when you go. Spread this way.
eh,
One more time.
eh.
Now, put whoa in that. Whoa.
Whoa!
Yes, do it on woo.
Woo!
Now do it on way. You see
Way!
how it brightens up that way?
Yeah.
Way. Because it all started on woo and wee.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Do it on wah.
Whoa!
Wah. Yeah.
Whoa!
Ah.
Ah!
Don't push it. Ah. Let it free.
Ah!
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Ah!
We're going back this way. We're not going up this way. We're going back to. Ah. Do that one again. Ah. Now don't pull up. Don't let it crawl up your back. Don't let it crawl up your back. You got to keep your shoulders back. Ah. And that will give a passageway to use more of your back.
Okay.
Okay? And then you're going to get this video and you're going to practice these wah, 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 wah. Sam Cooke. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That whoa is really cool. Whoa! Even if you want to get into that kind of soul hollering, you know how
Okay.
to holler, how to do that R&B scream. You got
Hmm.
that. Yeah. The one that Marvin Gaye does sometimes.
He does do his
Yeah.
thing.
But notice when he's singing more in this light head voice, which is
Hmm.
the more, and then he goes with the strong hard stuff. But you got
Hmm.
to have, as an R&B singer, you have to have good head voice and good chest voice and a lot of nerve.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got, and a lot of confidence to go after the note, even if you can't, quite. imagine it. You just go for the note because it's part of your soul and it's part of what you're feeling right then. You know what I mean? And you got to take
Yeah.
some risks, with your voice. But you got to develop certain habits now that will, when you are in your laissez-faire kind of singing, when you just singing, then you don't go for it, but you build your stamina and your strength in your voice by building your diaphragmatic awareness, being
Yes.
aware that you're using your whole body to sing and not just your throat. And then
Which is the main thing I've been learning.
this is the part that's got to be relaxed. This is part of relax, and you got to feel strongly. The more you understand your breath, the stronger your singing becomes, because then you're able to say what you got to say using more of yourself to say it, not just this.